Dạ.
By the time you guys get the food, it's really good. Like that? Wow, you can't turn.
Giờ lấy đi xài còn.
Not that old. No. So 57. Wow, that's unfortunate. I like
Bảo cho không xếp hàng Bảo. Bảo. Bảo, không xếp hàng hả? Không xếp hàng hả?
Hết thì thôi.
That's for the weekend, right? That's a weekend show.
better than you're going.
I'm not the English fan.
Oh, the Mother's Day pizza had not open water. From the Lorette bar. We opened, I bought my mom pizza from Mother's Day. Brought it to her, we opened the box. There was a nut full of water in the pizza. My mom called me like, oh, we're looking for a pizza cutter. It's broke. No. We didn't get any of that moment. They just said the door pizza. It wasn't on the pizza, like it was in the corner of the box. Like it's actually all in your car. I didn't open the pizza. It was in the box in the corner.
Right back and working for oh man. It'd be nice to But within the next couple of years, my hope is anything that says yeah. Oh, I don't
Spicy Hawaiian.
Hula hula.
I know. It's okay, we're gonna make
I like never go there. There's times
go by like my monster. It's all like a monster. That's going to
Đây các bạn. Kia đang đi sàn.
you like going to 100 euros.
Scratch this tank up.
Bring us crashing. Who knows? How's the day? Possible.
YouTube rồi.
What do you animals?
Found you. Hiding.
Żarty Wojtek, 3 miliony.
Đây có thật tiếng Nga.
We're showing her, tweet pizza treaty time.
You need this?
The tweet. Do you go treaty time? No. No? Oh, okay. They just stand up and it's called Tweet's Pizza.
Quick, 5 minutes.
Done?
5-minute meeting.
Yes, I am buying your forgiveness with pizza today. Okay. And what forgiveness I'm asking for is the way we communicated the plant shutdown in July. Okay, we didn't do a good job of communicating that at all, and for that I sincerely apologize. Okay. It wasn't done on purpose. It was done. We wanted to make sure we communicated as quickly as possible. We're in no way trying to dictate when people take holidays. Okay. I'm not trying to turn into the Donald Trump dictatorship at Champ. Okay, that's not what we're doing. The reason we're doing it is, some of you guys know, some of you don't, we were slow, okay? Y'all know we did 15 layoffs about 6 weeks ago. That was unavoidable, there was nothing we could do about that. What we don't want to do is have another layoff, right? For any reason whatsoever, especially because the work is all back in September, okay? What happened is, when we first started doing the honeybee, they didn't know what they were doing. Okay, so they bought all of their options and all of everything they needed for a year, they bought in 6 months. So that's why the honeybee POs and honeybees slowed down so much. They're going to pick back up in September, October. Okay? Kawasaki got to the end of their run and moved some parts of Japan before their new run ramped up and their line rate went up. So their line rate is going back up right now, and we're getting all those POs right now. What it creates is a bit of a vacuum in July. Okay, guys? So we've got more than enough work right now. We're pulling work into May and June to make sure that everything makes sense there. We don't want to continue to pull work out of August. We can't pull work out of August because all of our main customers have shutdowns in July. Okay? So you can't pull work in 2 weeks and ship it to them when they're closed. Does that make sense to everybody? Okay? So that's why we're doing the shutdown, is to make sure, A, we don't do any more layoffs, guys. Okay? That's not the plan whatsoever. B, you guys are all doing an awesome job, and we need you here come September, because that's when things go back to the way they were before this all happened. Okay? Nobody did anything wrong. There's nothing here we can control. Honeybee's not as large a customer as we thought they were, but you probably all heard that we're working really hard. We've won a big contract to replace, if not increase that, with Summers Manufacturing. Anybody heard of Summers yet? Okay? You're gonna see great big long rolling tubes getting welded in the shop, okay? So that equipment will start rolling in here probably end of June, July, and then that'll be going on. It's more cyclical. It's September, October, November, December work every year, because that's when they need to make their equipment. Ian and I are traveling as much as we can, guys, to bring on more and more customers so that we can not only maintain the group that we have here, but continue to grow the way we have, okay? We've done an awesome job moving things to satisfy Kawasaki and New Flyer as far as Buy America goes. Jamestown's busier than they've ever been, right? We were shipping $2.2 million that year, and Jamestown was shipping $250,000, right? So that we've done a great job of all those things. These two hiccups were something we couldn't plan for, and we want to make sure that we're not, you know, putting a massive dent in all the hard work we've done in July by just having everybody stand around, right? We've got vacation, we've got to work through it. That's one of the tools we have to try to manage that, so that's why we're doing what we're doing. Okay. Any questions, guys?
Thanks for the pizza. We can do this every week.
It just better not be for me apologizing for this one communication, right? That's not who we want to be, guys. Okay, we're not trying to hide anything. We're not trying to do anything. We communicated it fast because we wanted to share it. We just missed a couple steps that should have happened, right? The managers, the supervisors should have known about it. So when you guys came to ask about it, they knew what was going on. We missed a couple steps, and this is something we haven't really done at Chat before, nor do we really ever want to do it, right? We want to use all our energy to continue to grow and do those things, not deal with stuff like this. Unfortunately, this is part of running a business, and you can't control your customers all the time, and they're doing what they're doing, so we're going to react and do what we do and keep building and growing with them, right? So, in a couple weeks, once we have the screens up, we'll do this exact same meeting again, and yes, I'll buy you pizza again, okay? But I'll show you the background information in Microsoft Power BI and do a proper town hall so that you guys all see exactly what's going on and know I'm not full of shit, okay? I'm not standing here buying 6 weeks just to have a layoff, okay? We see it, it's coming, the work is there, guys. There's no, we all hear in the media economic slowdown and this and that. We're positioned very, very, very well with New Flyer, with Kawasaki, with Honeybee, that even if one of them were to slow down, that economic trigger would cause the others to speed up. Okay, and I'll get more into that at the town hall and why that is like that, right? But you all, a lot of you lived through the COVID where New Flyer slowed down, where Kawasaki almost came to a halt, right? When economies go down, governments spend money on transportation and infrastructure, right? So even if the economy does slow down, like everybody keeps saying it's going to happen, it hasn't happened. We're very, very well positioned with those two customers. They'll get busier, right? That's what governments do, and it's guaranteed. But I'll share all that next time. Okay? Anybody have any quick questions right now? Want to take one more shot at me for how piss poor we did this?
Any opportunity to make up those times, or that is
The problem is the work in that area, right? So, to be honest, there will be opportunity to make it up, I would think, with overtime going into October, November, December. But like banking time ahead of time, that's not why we're doing it. We're doing it because, right, the company pays into everybody's vacation and it's sitting there. So it's to use that up and not have it as regular wages, because there's no work to support those regular wages just for that 1 month. Right? So do your best with it, guys. I have no problem sitting down and discussing individual situations, okay? I'm not asking for people to go and, you know, not have money for their mortgage because of this and all that kind of stuff. Times are tough enough. I'm not trying to complicate that, okay? So if there is specific things, you've got an extenuating circumstance, please reach out to Caitlin. You can reach out directly to me, your supervisor. We'll sit down, we'll talk about it, we'll figure something out. There isn't, the maintenance thing was true. We just don't know if we're gonna be ready as far as the plant layout goes to start moving stuff. But I am open to doing a Kaizen blitz or two in areas that aren't gonna move. So there is opportunity for people that are in dire straits to still be here and work through things. We just can't support the entire factory just going full bore all over the summer this year. Okay? Sorry.
Appreciate the explanation and communication. Thank you very much.
Work sharing? Innovation output program is
You know,
considered?
if what we're predicting goes in the shitter, that would be absolutely our next step, but that wouldn't be something we would do without talking to all of you, right? Workshare has to be something where the entire group buys into it, or the entire group says, you know what, we don't think that's right. That's not even anywhere in my,
Is there any
Yeah.
government programs with that?
there is government programs towards it, yeah, but it still involves EI and stuff. Kyle wants to strap me down. Anyway, so sorry, it's a great question, but nowhere near our realm of what we're looking at. August is already loaded to $1.7 million, right? So August is right back, and that's without any work from Honeybee. September looks the same. So I don't have a crystal ball for next February or anything, but what we can see and what we can predict and what our customers are telling us, there's no concern over any of that. Okay? Anybody else? No? Well, once again, guys, sorry that it got communicated very poorly. That's on me. Won't happen again. And enjoy the pizza.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take away. I'll stand here. Just gonna stand here. Or where's everybody going? There's papers here, you guys.
Yeah, this is the pizza that I had yesterday. It actually had
Pizza Hut.
pizza lamb.
Pizza Lamb. Where's that?
It's on these. You should try it out. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah. I guess it was kind of short notice, eh?
Huh?
I guess it was kind of short. Like I thought it was a long notice, but that is kind of short.
Sounds good. Thanks, Bob.
I think Ash had to sit in there.
Sorry, dude.
Ash.
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 After we were done, she wants that.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, vacation time.
No, right on cook. Right.
How many hours did they get?
She writes.
How many hours?
Huh?
What?
Probably went called right.
Write what?
Did I tell you?
Science fiction.
I'll find out. I'll find out. We'll go from there, but it's not going to be enough for. It's not going to be enough for
Oh, I said-
that you want to go on to.
I just did the minimum fucking get
What kind of pizza is this?
It's just a matter of you how
pretty good.
much you want to earn financially wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta send in that request. Just send in the form and then if it's not paid, then tell me not paid. That's all. It's your decision when you want to put that money. Okay?
Are you watching hockey this weekend?
Yeah.
You are? Like you're going to the Cinnaboy Dome?
Oh, no.
Oh, just like on TV?
It's in my dump.
Manitowoc or something? There's a whole bunch of stuff going on this weekend.
Only how much are the tickets?
I don't know. I know it's 15 to get in.
I used to get those for free.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Now.
It says 15 to get in, but I don't know. There's like the strong woman competition and all that. I'm gonna go try that there.
Go on.
And then Indian horse races on Monday. I'm gonna go watch that.
Well,
You ever watch Indian horse races? No? No? It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's an actual thing. Yeah. There's teams there's guys that race them and there's multiple horses. So they'll run around the track, they'll jump off the horse and then jump onto another horse real quick.
Where's that held?
Cinnaboy Downs on Monday. Yeah. Yeah, it's at 7 on Monday. There's a big festival going on this weekend, so yeah.
he's gonna enter that strong woman contest.
I entered that at home quite a bit, so I'm gonna try it.
For what? Throwing weights and fucking.
When it was at home, you have to carry like something a certain distance, and then there's another one where there's a big bar you have to lift up and carry it a certain way.
Okay.
And tire flipping. Yeah. The welding this past year is really fun. Yeah.
That's good.
I got 100 tickets for the Gold Eyes game for the 15th.
Oh, yeah. 21st, you mean?
No, 15th of
I thought
June.
their first, oh, the 15th, oh yeah. Their first game's on the 21st here, I think.
Yeah. No, I think it's on the 15th, I think the first game.
June?
Yeah.
No, May 21st.
That's their first game?
Yeah, they play here because I was gonna go check it out. My partner got tickets through work.
The Rolos?
Mm-hmm. They could pick out of 4 games.
Yeah.
Keep it down.
You don't like onions or?
Well, I was trying to see if there's more salami underneath, but I don't like salami.
Not a really big fan of fucking olives.
Oh yeah. I got a thing you shared this morning is dead.
Huh? Well, yeah, that fucking woman.
Heck, I wish she got bit.
She didn't get in trouble. She just found out where the fucking.
I was reading a thing. It's only like $400 per bird. So she'll only get like a $800 ticket.
You got buying those fucking. These are walking on the
On the
road.
front here. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Fucking animals came by, turn these fucking siren on. Scare the fuck out of those birds.
Did you get
Those
them?
birds turned around and start running after the car in front of me. Like, good thing I didn't go try to attack it because we got hurt. We're driving by. That bird was like, ah, trying to fucking attack that car. They're crazy, man, these fucking birds.
Heck yeah.
You went to Polo Park one time? Fucking, trying to get to a spot area.
Mm-hmm.
With fucking geese wouldn't even fucking let us go there. They just, nope. Try to chase it away, nope.
Yeah, they have a goose set up there, like one of their planters they have there. They have it set up in there.
What's that?
A goose. You know, their planters, like the flower planters, they have a thing around it so that no one bothers it.
No.